ging dorbar thawain u Thomas e sangma abakren bergelat thai kubur negasngi ulong ba bandon ya unongelam jokliang persya kidei bandon kumba 10% gidkhon hapo jong ka ying dorbar thawain kumban chupun kan mau hangni uba Roni Vilangdo ude udkhot jong seng Congress balongru unongelam jokliang persya hanrei da kajing ino kam jong usaleng isangma bat kumjuru kajing pherno jong kilaingot kinongelam jong seng kibalalek ban peniso no sak NPP kalabu ya u baundon satang marwei hagne ka kendi ka mamanta habedei pat berkjing peniso jong ki langut ki MLE jong seng Congress sak seng NPP nagaliang ulampang ki yang dorbar thawan ulong ba katkum ka an kino ki seng kila ban peniso bat ka wei pat ka seng lara kidon ya kata ka 1/3 majority.
I would say so far no submissions have come to me. But as you know, present leader of opposition is only one member in the house. So this office may have to issue a denotification order very soon, unless he submits his resignation first. That's the first thing. After that, as I told you earlier, so far no submissions have come from any of the parties from the opposition. So it gives me time to think and examine my future course of action.
So as per one of the rules, it can also go to the most senior member.
That particular rule, actually. Okay. But I know that to have an opposition, you need to have at least 10% of the strength of the total house. I mean, strength of the house, total strength of the house. So, as of now, none of the parties in the in the opposition bench has that requisite number. So it is not necessary for me to take a quick decision on it. I can still examine, take my time. Even the parliament has in the last terms, Parliament has also not had an opposition leader.
So, like there is a narrative that in such a scenario.
But I'm not saying that I will take that kind of same stance.
But there's a narrative in such a scenario. It always goes to the senior-most member, and looking at that, it goes to Dr. Mukul or Dr. Bacha. I don't know.
I cannot comment immediately now. When the situation arises, I will take my decision.
Okay, to merge to NPP because the Congress is planning to file a case in the High Court.
I don't know. I have taken my decision based on all the legal side. Also, I have looked, examined, and I found it in order. So I made my decision of allowing them to merge with NPP.
What are the fundamentals? What are the specifics which you have depended on?
The 2/3, as clearly seen by, in the numbers. You can say 2/3. It's the Constitution says when a 2/3 of any political legislative party decides to merge, it can be taken. That kind of merger can happen.
But facing 6 years suspension, whether they can join the party?
I'm not aware of that 6 years suspension. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well,
all the factors and also the advice that I taken from my political circles. I think or the print newspapers, I have not personally received the suspension order till today. So you cannot expect me to make a decision based on what was in the media or the print.
So Congress has not given any letter?
Sorry, I have not received. That's what I can say.